about to go to the city with a baddie and a ghost. Pay that 15, that's the price, that's the toll. And you know that I'm icy, bitch, I'm cold. Drink that liquor cause I don't know how to roll. Most boys be that liquor in the system, make them fold. Pour it up.
What's up, Mimosa Mafia? It's your boy MBE Brazy, man. I'm here with my boy
MBE Steezy, MBE Street.
You know what I'm saying? And it's Cinco de Drinko, so you already know we had to come with the how-to margarita video. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do it a little bit different because that's what we do. You know what I'm saying? We got sauce. Y'all don't. That's why y'all are here watching it. So, you feel me? So, a little bit of that. So, we gonna make us some special margaritas that only we know how to make. So we gonna make some special margaritas that only we know how to make. You know what I'm saying? Put that MBE drip on there for you.
Yes, sir.
Right? We got.
I'm the mixologist. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do my thing.
Easy,
you feel what I'm saying? The mixologist. I'm gonna teach y'all a little something about the tequilas. Something y'all probably don't know. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna teach y'all about Cinco de Mayo too. Y'all a couple of tips. You feel me? We'll be right back. All right, so yeah, so the first drink we're gonna be making that MBE real. You know what I'm saying? That's the specialty. I'm gonna show you how to make it. You're gonna drip a little sauce in there. It ain't gonna be a little too much, but we're gonna, you know what I'm saying?
If you don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
Watch me, man. First off, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna put a couple little ice cubes in there. Take your ice cubes.
Really, nigga?
Then you know what I'm saying? Next you're gonna go ahead, you know what I'm saying? Put your little tequila in there. But we don't do little anything with MBE, you know what I'm saying? 100 mimosas is nothing. We do everything big. Alright. Next what we're gonna do, we're gonna drop a little lime in that thing. You know what I'm saying? A little lime.
We need a little more.
A little more? For the flavor.
That's it right there.
All right. Next thing you know we're gonna do? Gotta drop that Sprite in there. That's my favorite. But I don't drink soda like no more.
Yeah, I'm not the biggest soda drinker. So
but anytime I'm drinking that Tron or either that tequila, you know what I'm saying? If I'm in the club, it's tequila and Sprite all day. Add a lime, yes sir.
You know what I'm saying?
So look,
where you was at.
All right, so next we're gonna add that little that mango margarita thing, club tails. Hey, before we go out and have a good night, we always get a club tail now. We don't always go in that Tron. The good nights, the best nights, we be off the club tails.
You would never guess how much it is at the gas station.
2 for 3, yes sir. Me and my boy Brazy, we split too. And it's a whole different type of night.
Okay.
You just put a little sauce in there, a little drip. This is called a little secret sauce. You know what I'm saying? Make it fizz a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Do something different to your drink.
You gotta mix it first, bro. Okay, this is where I come in. I'm always the person in the socials and whatever we do to make sure the drinks are mixed. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, like, if it's not mixed, you just, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know. If it don't have that fuzz at the top, you see that little, probably can't even see a little fuzz at the top, it's not there. It's not.
All right, so inform me, y'all, what's going on? What's this exactly?
So we got a little bit of lime juice in there. We got a little bit of that club tails, cause you know you gotta have that club tails. And then right here we did this with the Jose. Let me teach y'all a little something about the Jose. That Jose is 51% agave. You know what I'm saying? But the reals, you know what I'm saying, the top shelves, those gonna be 100% agave when you're talking about your tequilas. You know what I'm saying? Tequila is made of agave. That's what makes it different. It's made of the agave plant. You know, as whereas your cognacs are made out of grapes, things of that nature. Then we got a little Sprite in there. Had to hit it with the Sprite. Okay. The lemon lime flavor. Okay. Lime, tequila, Mexicano. Come on, man. It all go together.
Sounds like you've been doing your research, but we gonna see. We gonna see.
Let me know.
Not gonna lie, I almost don't taste any alcohol.
But ain't nothing but alcohol in there.
And I saw it being poured in, so that's what's kind of scary.
Sound like a good night to me.
They know what's going on, bro.
A good day.
That's
day
actually
party.
very scary. That's actually very dangerous.
Sneak up on you. That's how I do.
That ain't us, bro. You don't even need. See, with our margaritas, you don't even need salt. You don't even need salt.
Well, let me get the cup with the salt or something, man. Let me just chop it out. We tried it without the salt. I couldn't really taste the liquor, which is, you know, a compliment to their behalf. But here is the MBE reader with the sauce, so let's see what's good.
It smells good and all.
You make that at home when you with your girl.
Y'all might have just did something.
Looky.
Might have just did something. I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all gotta let me keep this cup.
You can make that one while you're at home with your girl.
Gotta let me keep this cup. Big drip, you know what I'm saying? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like a man should.
That's a day party. That's a day party, motherfucker.
I'm just fucking with y'all. This shit is ass.
Hold up. Hold my phone.
Okay, Mimosa Mafia, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Big Brazy. And I'm not gonna lie to you, Steezy came up with the MB reader and we drink it all the time. But you already know who we are. You know how we are about this. The Tronion. You know what I'm saying? 100% Puro de Agave. Oh, like my boy said. You feel me? So today,
top shelf. You know
top shelf is all we do. So you
if
know.
it ain't got 100% agave, it's not top shelf.
It's not.
So make sure you check your labels. Because they lying to you. Keep it rolling, my boy. That's how I know.
All right. So, you know what I'm saying? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pop that Patron, man. You know what I'm saying? If you got to do it how I do it. First thing you got to do is take a shot. You got to make sure that agave is in there.
Every good bartender had a drink before they got you.
You feel me? Take out the club tails, right? So today with the Patron Narita, we are using lime bases as our juices. You feel me? We don't need lime juice for this reader. You know what I'm saying? We got the Club Tail, Sunny Margarita lime, and then we got that Everfresh lime motherfucker. You feel me? If you don't know about this, you're missing out. This is the best mix in the world, right? You gotta throw that.
You always gotta flip flop the lemon with the lime.
You have
That's
to.
why I had to throw the Sprite in the lemon with the lime. See?
You have to.
See how I did that?
This is why I have the mixologist just right next to me. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pop open a Sunny Margarita. This time we're gonna pour about a third of the drink in here. You know what I'm saying? This is a stronger drink. This will put you on your head type, you know what I'm saying? And then you're gonna take that Patron. You're gonna pop it open. We're gonna take one more shot. Yes, sir. And then I need you to watch me, right? We're gonna take it. This is a technique behind this. You're gonna take it. You're gonna pour it. You're gonna give me a 90-degree angle without letting anything out. A 90-degree angle without letting anything out, and then you're gonna just bomb. Alright?
Might need to hit it with a little more.
Oh yes, sir.
You got hit with the wrist. Come on, man.
Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, then we gonna close that one. Matter of fact, take 3 shots. So 3 is my favorite number. You thirsty? It will not hit if you don't take those 3 shots, right? Then we gonna take the Everfresh. Then you gonna shake that. Cause if it ain't shook up, it ain't about to bust. Anytime you shake it, you gotta give it that. And they taught you this back in the day. Yeah, you know you gotta. So it won't. You know, they taught me that back in the day. Anytime they shake the soda up, just take your top and just hit it with that. You feel me? That ghetto. You open it, and you gonna pour it all the way to the bottom of the E on the Everfresh, right? Very specific instructions because it has a very specific taste.
We don't measure. We just measure.
You see? The E is right here. One more time.
Splash.
Split splash. All right, so now we close this, right? Put all your used ingredients to the left of you. To the left of you. To the left of you. Okay? And then to finish it off, you know, like he said, we gotta put that lemon with that lime. So we're gonna
switch it up.
We're gonna put a little bit of this in there.
They got offsetting flavors.
Ooh.
There's a reason why it's the lemon and then the lime.
That thing look pretty, bro. This is about to be amazing. You get your mix cup. Cause we don't have mixers, you know what I'm saying? We out here. Get your mix cup, and you put it in the sauce. Right? Boom. Ooh, and you go back and forth 3 times. You you have your drink. You gotta be careful when you making the Patronio. You gotta be careful when you making the Patronarita because I'm low key lit after 3 shots.
So we back again. we back again.
Don't try me with this one because this is gonna hit.
We're back again.
You know this gonna hit.
What is going on with this drink right here? It looks completely different than the other.
We got the Patronarita. We have the Patronarita, right? And in the Patronarita we have our lime.
You know we had that sauce.
Tails.
Where can you get this Club Tails?
You can get this at any gas station.
What's the story behind the Club Tails? Why are we drinking this?
The reason we drink Club Tails is because one night me and George, quick story. One night me and MBE Steezy was going to, he was like, we might as well try the Club Tails. I was like, alright. So we grabbed, they was 2 or 3, so we both grabbed 2 for 3. Grabbed them, killed them.
Okay.
I don't remember that night.
We only had to be at the club
Really?
in 15 minutes and it was gone.
I don't remember that night.
Let me try this by itself first. Not that bad.
Not that bad.
Not that bad. Now how much, you said it's like 150? You said 2 for 3?
Yeah, 2 for 3.
$1.50?
No. I didn't remember the night. I don't remember that night to this day.
Give it a little swirl. Swirl world. Take a nigga girl.
You see my, you know what I'm saying with me on my son? My nigga Dallas. My nigga with the
Swirl world, take a nigga girl.
Hey,
Nigga got a piss on the nigga hoe.
show the back. Hey, you gotta turn around. Show the back, nigga. Show the back.
I'm playing swirl world, take a
Show the back,
Hey,
nigga.
kiss on a nigga hoe and feed her some gumbo.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get information I don't know. Okay, the salt is already around the rim. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. That is no hype. That is no exaggeration. I'm not gonna lie. That is beautiful. Not to diminish your drink, Steezy, but that is beautiful. What you call this again?
Word to my.
That is beautiful. Lacey, come try this shit.
Let him know. Oh man, not the goat. We need to be showing on too. Not the goat. You know.
Toast up. Down.
You know what I'm saying?
Let me see what we talk about. Oh yeah, that shit fire.
That shit bust. That's fine.
That right there, you gonna have a great night. You might not remember your night, but you gonna have a great night with that one right there. That's busting right there. MBE crazy this thing with that.
Hey, if you live for nights we can't remember, with people we can't forget.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. So that is our edition of how to make a margarita, man. MBE, we do this. Try this at home. If you 21 and older, you know what I'm saying? Only if you're 21 and older, try this at home. We about to continue our Cinco de Drinko day. You feel me? And that's us signing out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the MBE Nation, man. We love y'all. We love y'all, Mimosa Mafia. We love y'all. No cap.
Y'all keep tuning in.